Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use OneDrive's version history feature. This is incredibly useful when you need to track changes made to your documents or restore an earlier version of a file. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your web browser and navigate to OneDrive.com. Once you're on the page, go ahead and sign into your Microsoft account using your credentials. This will give you access to all your stored files and OneDrive features. After signing in, you'll need to wait a moment while the login process completes and OneDrive loads your dashboard. This usually takes just a few seconds depending on your internet connection. Once you're in, you'll see your main OneDrive interface with all your files and folders ready to access. Now, to access version history, start by looking at your left navigation menu. You'll see several options there, and you want to click on My Files. This section displays a complete list of all your files and folders stored in OneDrive, making it easy to locate what you need. For this demonstration, we'll select a sample file to show you how version history works. Browse through your files and click on the checkmark next to the file you want to check. This action selects the file and activates additional options. Once selected, you'll notice a three-dot icon appears in the middle of your screen. Click on this icon to reveal a context menu with various file management options. Within this context menu, you'll see several choices for managing your file. Look for the option labeled Version History and click on it. This feature is what allows you to track all changes and revisions made to your document over time, which is particularly valuable for collaborative work or when you need to recover previous versions. After clicking Version History, a new window will pop up displaying all the revisions that have happened to your selected file. Each entry shows when the version was created and who made the changes. This gives you a complete timeline of your document's evolution, making it easy to track modifications and updates. From here, you have full control over your file versions. For each version listed, you'll see a three-dot icon. Click on it to open that specific version of the file. This allows you to view exactly what the document looked like at that point in time. If you find that you need to revert to an older version because recent changes weren't what you wanted, simply click on Open File next to the version number you wish to restore. This will load that particular version, giving you the ability to either view it or make it your current working version. And that's how you use OneDrive's version history to track and restore previous versions of your files. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.